Guys, today's October 1st, 2019, and we've been gathering black walnuts. And so we got 22 5-gallon buckets today, and this is part of them right here, and that we have more. And I wanted to show you a couple things about the black walnut. You know, you can pick them up when they're like this, as long as this black part is soft. If you pick them up when that black part is hard, they're really harder to work with. And some of them will already be clean for you. Right there's one. And, you know, they can be like that. They're partly, somebody stepped on them is all. So all of that is fine. Now, the only thing you have to watch for is if there is vertical lines, and I don't know if you can see this, but it might sort of give you an idea. If you have vertical lines going up all the way around, and they have a shriveled look, you don't want them. They won't be any good. And LP, he doesn't like to mess with the small ones, so you can see how much smaller that is. You know, because we got so many, it's hard enough, you know, to for him to do all of these. He does it with a mallet, and rubber mallet, and croquet mallet, and he likes that way better than any way. I mean, there's other ways that people recommend, but he really likes that. Is that right, LP?
That's right, I'm telling you.
Are you on your last leg?
Yes, I am.
So I'm going to stop this and go down and show you what else we got today. Here is the rest of them that we got today in these containers. And LP said, like, when you crack a nut and it's completely white inside, it's not any good. So that's just a little added note. That's it, guys.